me something special on my birthday.
And finally I've got. So let's open our fifth gift.
So this time I have decided to give me something special on my birthday. So that's why I have taken my first parcel, and in this there is a multani mitti because I just want to try how it is, because मैंने बहुत सारे दोस्तों से सुना था कि ये बहुत अच्छी होती है, and especially my best friend told me कि इससे ना फेस का ग्लो बहुत अच्छा होता है और पिंपल्स भी रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं. तो this time I want to pamper myself on my birthday, and that's why this is my first gift, and I have ordered so many things. So this time also I have ordered to pamper myself healthy products. Okay, you will be knowing when the orders will be delivered to me, and you all know that the orders will be delivered shortly and it takes time. So today is, I think so, 10 of November, and some order is on 16, 17 and 11, 12. So that's why it's taking a lot of delivery time. I wanna to make this video at the same day, but definitely I'll take some clips and I will upload at the end or one day before my birthday. So this is my first gift. So let's go home and open it.
I want to open my second gift that is very useful for vlogging, as well as I have gifted this. I think so I was craving for this, and finally I have got, and that I have gifted to myself, free birthday gift. So let's open. देखते इसके अंदर क्या है. It has came with the bubble wrap, and let's see. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's a stand. It's a selfie stick stand. Really? Oh, finally! Yes. This. Oh my god! I think so. Okay. And it has came with this light also. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So I think so. It's this much only, and it is of this much height only. Let's open our third gift. Earring, it's an earring, and it's a free gift. So it's written this: thank you so much, thank you so much, and this is the free gift, and this is the earring. Let me open key. What is this? Such an amazing, and the free gift. So this is basically, अगर देखा जाए तो ये मेरे पास पहले से ही है, but thank you so much, और आपने मुझे free gift दिया, as my birthday is also coming, so thank you so much, and I'll tag this. You can also buy from the site, and yeah, some stoppers also. Here stoppers also. Thank you so much. Let's open our fourth gift. So this is I have ordered for me. That's onion hair oil, and it's good to use onion in the roots of the hair. Onion is good to use in the hair, so that's why I have ordered this. So let's open our fifth gift. Fifth.
ओरिजिनल नेल टिप, वो भी आलमंड शेप में, 600 टिप्स आए हैं। एक ऐसी चीज़ अपने आप को गिफ्ट करनी चाहिए जो मेरे ब्लॉगिंग में, मेरे एडिटिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होती है। तो इसलिए इस बार मैंने इन शॉट का प्रीमियम खरीदा जो कि मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है, एंड दिस इज़ द बेस्ट गिफ्ट दैट आई कैन एवर गिफ्ट टू मी फॉर द एडिटिंग एंड स्पेशली फॉर द यूट्यूब फैमिली एंड फॉर द यूट्यूब।